Hello everyone, today we will talk about class imbalance in data analysis. Most of the time when we deal with the classification problems, we see that in the target variable there is a class imbalance, right? So let's start today. First of all, importing libraries, import pandas as PD, and from google.colab import files. Let's run it. Everybody can see, or I can zoom the screen so that everybody can see it. Okay, good. Now the next step is data set equals files dot upload. We use upload function to upload the CSV file. And the CSV file that we are using is diabetes. Good. And now we are ready to define data frame. Data frame equals pandas dot read CSV, and the file name is diabetes dataset dot CSV. Good. And if we want, we can see data frame info function, all the details of the variable. And keep in mind, the last variable outcome is the target variable, and that's the focus for today's class. Before we start how to deal with the class imbalance, we should drop the null values, because if we don't drop null values in the data frame, the technique won't work. So we want to drop all the null values, right? After dropping the null values, I'm going to define x and y. You guys know what is x, what is y? X is all the variables other than target variable, which is outcome in this case. And y is the target variable. Good. Okay. Now let's see what is the situation in the target variable. Y dot value counts. We use the value counts function to see number of observations in each class of the target variable. So you can see that there is class imbalance. In the first class 0, there are 1281 records, and in the second class, which is 1, there are only 673 records. So we can say that there is a class imbalance here. So before we use any machine learning model, we should fix the class imbalance. The technique that I'm using here today is called oversampling. What it will do, it will add some record in the second class having less observations or records, so that both the classes will be balanced. Okay, let's start from imbalance learn dot over sampling import random over sampler. Let's run it. Okay, now we will create an object of the random over sampler. Should I zoom it again? And I'm going to scroll. Okay, now I'm going to define random over sampler object, and random state is 42. st state. Okay, good. Okay, after defining random over sampler, now we are ready to I'm fixing the screen. Okay, or I can scroll a little bit. Now it's good. In the next line, now we are ready to use the random over sampler. So I can write x random over sampler, y random over sampler. Actually, these are x and y's, or you can say new x and y after oversampling. Random over sampler dot fit resample function, and inside we will write x and y, original x and y's. So keep in mind, y in the bracket is imbalanced and y underscore ROS is the new y, which should be balanced after application of random over sampler. Okay, good, it's working, but we want to confirm, we want to see that what is the new situation. Y random over sampling, the new y dot value count. Let's run it, and now you can see both the classes 0 class and 1 have same number of observations, 1281. Or we can say that both the classes are balanced now. I think that's enough for today. Thank you very much and see you next time.